So the budget OnePlus 8 that OnePlus claims it to be isn't going to be budget after all. What's up guys, I'm Suman from phonesteinyt. A very happy new year to all of you. So the OnePlus 8 series of smartphones will launch in a few months from now. We are in a time where leaks are getting more and more accurate, and therefore we also have leaks of the OnePlus 8 series. And today I am going to be concentrating on the OnePlus 8 Lite. If the rumors are true, there will be 3 devices and the cheapest of them will be known as the OnePlus 8 Lite. Now the OnePlus 8 Lite. So with the Lite name being added behind the OnePlus 8, I think this here is aimed towards those who don't want to spend a fortune on their next OnePlus device. But if the leaks are true, by no means is this going to be a really budget friendly device. So let me explain. Now here are the leak specs on the screen right now. Make sure you pause and take a look. But in brief, the OnePlus 8 Lite is actually a powerful device. Now it is going to be powered by a MediaTek chip, so that is a first for OnePlus. So this here is going to be the MediaTek Dimensity 1000. So this here is an octa-core processor, and about performance we are not sure how it is going to be, but let's hope it is going to be really fast. Now it is going to be sporting a 48 megapixel sensor, the IMX586 from last year's OnePlus device, which actually performed quite well. It is going to have a big 4000 mAh battery. Now as for the RAM, this is supposedly going to have only 8 gigs of RAM standard, and this is just from the leaks. Now as for the display, we are going to have a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution. Now when any person takes a look at this specs, he will immediately say that this here is a powerful smartphone, and so did I. But when you take a look at the pricing, which is 3000 yuan, and that converted into Indian currency, that is going to be around 30,000 Indian rupees. Yes, freaking 30,000 rupees. Now the pricing mentioned in this leak should of course be from all the manufacturing and all which has taken place in the local market itself. If this is to be true, then we will get our budget of OnePlus 8 at 30,000 rupees, which is not cheap by any means. In fact, when the OnePlus 8 launches in India, the previous OnePlus devices like the OnePlus 7T, the OnePlus 7 will all reduce in price. Then those will make sense rather than buying the OnePlus 8 Lite. In fact, this comes with a brand new MediaTek processor, and we also don't know how it is going to perform. With all this in mind, I don't think the OnePlus 8 will be a real charm to anyone who's considering buying the next OnePlus device. Now we don't know about the processor being used, so that is one letdown because it is a MediaTek processor. Till now it has been Snapdragon, so we really don't know how the performance is going to be. Now in that case, people will definitely opt for something which is already known, like this OnePlus 7, the OnePlus 7T, even the OnePlus 7 Pro will be cut down in price, and they also have really good performance, so people will of course go for that. So I think the 30,000 pricing is kind of going to be a little flop. The OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro might perform really well. I am not sure about that. But when you're talking about the OnePlus 8 Lite, and if the rumors are true and the leaks are true, then this phone is definitely not going to be a hit amongst the OnePlus fanboys. Yes, even the OnePlus fanboys might be disappointed with the pricing. But for the OnePlus 8 Lite to be successful, it has to be priced around anywhere between the 18 to 20,000 rupee mark. If that is going to happen, then the OnePlus 8 will definitely be a hit amongst everyone. If not, then of course people are obviously going to go with previous generation OnePlus devices like the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro or the OnePlus 7T. So the budget OnePlus 8 that OnePlus claims it to be isn't going to be budget after all. That is, if the rumors and leaks are true. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to phonesteinyt. Catch you later.